Hello everyone, welcome to CuteCarTV where we look at all the fun stuff. Today, back with another video. And if you've seen this thing, if you've not seen it, this is something special, folks. This is an air purifier. So, the box is right here. It came in one piece. And the reason why we buy this is because if you remember, back in the days of the 2018-2019, the pandemic time, after the pandemic time, you will see if you go to the church, if you go to the mosque, or you go to the temple, sometimes you will see at the front row there's a lot of air purifiers because there's a lot of elderly people that have come to pray. And when they come to pray, if you sit in the front row, you might see air purifiers because they want to purify the air that you breathe. Also, air purifiers help to filter the air that you breathe and also second-hand smoke. So if you have neighbors who are irresponsible and are smoking outside and transmit second-hand smoke, then this is the tool that you need to buy to get rid of that excessive smoke that may just jump from the other side of the house and come into your house, and it may also transfer from the people, smoking a cigarette, because in today's world, cigarettes is a big no-no, because if you smoke, especially in Malaysia, if you smoke in public, you can get fined. So here it is, air purifier, which I'm going to open up. It's actually a very big box. I found this for a very good deal, and I'm going to show you how big this thing is. So right now I have my measuring tape. I'm going to measure it and see how big this thing is, because the ones that sell online, they are super expensive. For a simple tool like this, they're going to charge you 3 to 4 to 5 to 7, 800 ringgit. Or that's like a 200-300 USD just for an air purifier to purify the air in the room or whatever. Okay, so you're going to charge you a lot of money of these days. Before the 2020s, air purifiers were very, very affordable. Nowadays, people want these stuff because people want to live in a room with a good oxygen, clean air to breathe. A lot of people want it, especially elderly people, people who have health issues and long-term health issues, and also for the pregnant women who want to, make sure that their baby and themselves are breathing clean air. So these are the kind of stuff that you want to have. So I'm gonna actually measure it for a while. Here we are. Okay, 25 inches. The box is 9 inches, okay, and length here is 16 over here. So this is not those small little air purifiers that are just cute and small and tiny, just like big as your foot. No, this is a big air purifier, and I got it for a very good deal. I'm just going to tell you how much I got it for. This thing, I got it for about 80 to 90 ringgit. Okay, it has 3 filters in it. It has the carbon filter, it has the what do you call it? There's another filter for it. We have a look in what the filters. There's 3 filters in there, so we're going to open this. Here we are. Alright, we're back. Okay, so what do we have? So I've just opened the box, just cut the box open. And the first thing we see is a user manual. Thank you for your purchase. Please read the instructions carefully before using it. Okay, so here we have instruction manual, product specifications. Check that out. 35 watts of power, and whatever it is, the HEPA filter, multi-stage speed and timers 8 options, suitable area 50 meters squared. Some of the things in here. This is how it looks like. We get to that later. Okay, it has a front cover, filter, all the controls. Right, and that's it. Okay, where is? Okay, that's it. All right, so that is the user manual, and then we have. I love these kind of remote controls. It's simple, easy to use. We have the automatic button, timer, sterilize, onion. Well, Gemini and ChatGPT told me to not use the onion mode because it's ozone kind of thingy. Speed for the fan and also for sleep, and then we do get plastic that protects it. Okay, so this is the remote control, very slim, small, cute. What else do we have? Check that out. Check that out, folks.
Wow!
See how huge. I told you. I got this for a very good deal, and look how huge it is. Look at it, okay? Look at this. I'm going to take it out of the box right now. You're going to have a look at this, okay? This is really rare for what it is. Here it is, folks. There it is. It comes with the UK plug as well. So yeah, for the folks in the UK, we can also use it. Grab that. This one here. And let's see. Wow. Check that out. Let's just see with that measuring tape and see. The box was huge. Let's see how big this one is. Okay. About 21. Eight inches. And the width is 14. Okay. Now that's the product size. Pretty huge. Usually for this price, 80 to 70 to 80 ringgit, it'll be small. It'll be like a foot long and half a foot wide. Nah, you can't filter a big room like this with a small air purifier. You gotta get a big one. Something like this will at least get the job done. This size. This one here. If it's a big room like a hall or something, you need a few of these, you know? Like if you're in the church, you're in the mosque, or you're in the temple, you need a lot of these to filter the air. Plus a lot of people in the room, right? You don't want all those bacteria and stuff flying all over the place. You gotta filter them, so you need something like this. So let's have a look at it. So here's the button, wind, mode, air purifier, and timing. So I'm going to plug this in, and then we're going to have a look at it, how it functions. Okay. So I just want to look around it first, and then we have a look at how it works. Okay, so this is the back side here. Here's a sticker which says, make sure your pet and your and you leave the room when UV sterilization is on in case of skin and eye injury. Okay, that's what it says here. Okay, and I think this is so how it works is it sucks the air from here, and then it sucks the air from this side too, and then it comes out here, the clean air. And over here you can have the purifier and all that. It says QA pass, purifier, HEPA filter, surface. Okay, and that's what it says over there. And nothing much. We look at the filter right now. Okay. So if you want to open it, you want to service it, you have to pull from the sides down here and pull it off. Okay, so this is the cover that comes with it. Really nice big cover. Oh no, we just dropped it. But anyway, it's a huge cover like this. And we can see here, it comes with the filter. Look at that. So down here you have a look, and then you can see it comes with a filter, which you can buy. I think the filter was there it is, and then it comes with UV sterilizer light, and it's all plugged in there. So this is how we put the filter in back. It's supposed to be like this. Okay, it wasn't in properly when I unboxed it, because you saw just now the cover was a little bit open, so that's why I opened it all the way up, because it needs to be properly inserted in the slot here for it to function properly. And then this is on top like that. Okay, and then it goes in like that. And it kind of clips on top at the bottom here, and over here too, and over here. Okay, something like this. And then we gotta carry it up. There we are. As you can see it here, you have to clip it. It has some clips in it. And here too. And that's it. Okay, that's how you do it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna test it out and see the functions as it has. All right, let's go. Right, boys and girls, makcik pakcik. Here we are. I plugged it into the wall socket here, and then you just go tit it, and then it'll start here, and we can actually press this button on. Oh, we have to press this button first. Oh, it's touch sensitive. Oh, there we are. Can you hear it? You can hear it, right? See that? What is it doing? It says here, air quality good. Purify PM2.5, 31 Celsius, 30 Celsius, Odo, is that negative ion, laminate formaldehyde, speed is number 3. What's this speed? Okay. So basically that's what it's doing. Wait a minute. I think the remote control, it's not, I didn't pull the battery out, so the battery hasn't, there's a tag in the battery. Let's check it out. See this? Hold it. So the battery doesn't been used, so now we can switch it on and we can switch it off. Okay, and then what's this? We will detect first. Sterilize. Sterilize is this one. It has this button here, come out. See? And then speed. This is the maximum. Wow. Okay, this is slow. And then this is timer, 1 hour. $30 minutes. Oh, it's off. Okay, so the maximum was 8 hours. I don't want to press this button because this onion is ozone, which is bad for people with breathing problems and stuff like that. But yeah, basically it's doing what it's supposed to. What's this? Okay, mode. So this is sleep mode. This is normal mode. What's this timing? Okay, so that's basically it. You got 1, 2, and 3 speed, and then sleep mode. Basically it'll just purify the air over and over and over again, and you can just keep it like 1 hour on. That I only switch this on when people or when I figure when the air is not clean enough. So switch it on when the air is not clean enough. When you're not using it, when you think the air is clean, switch it off. Especially now in the El Nino season in Malaysia, there's going to be a lot of they call it jerebu or haze. So when the haze comes and all the pollen and all that stuff comes in, some people are allergic to all this pollen and stuff, and you want this in the house, in the room especially, so that you don't get, you know, like runny nose and flu and everything. So you need to filter the air, and also from cigarette smoke as well, for example your neighbors. So you gotta have one of these, and it really helps to filter the room for clean air, so you can breathe at least something, a form of cleaning the air, ventilating and cleaning the air that you breathe. So at least something. I'll have a look at this. This is a very big machine here, but we'll check it out. So basically that is what it looks like. That's how it functions. Pretty simple machine, pretty simple tool. Overall, I think that's all we have for today, the unboxing of this. I'll put the name of the product, right, what it is, because I just bought it and I don't really know what the name is. Is it Health2Home, something like that, the brand? I'll also put it on the thumbnail, and then you know what brand is it. Really hard to find it, so yeah, I got it somewhere, you know. It was a good deal. I just bought it, and it has what it does, hopefully. Alright folks, that's all from me. If you like this content, give it a like, subscribe to CuteCarTV, and I'll see you all in the next fun video. Thank you for watching. Alright boys and girls, so if you can see there, it's checking because the neighbor just smoked a cigarette. See, it detects when the neighbor smokes a cigarette, it detects the air quality is bad and starts to filter the air. Interesting, isn't it? Because you can smell the neighbor's cigarette, and the smoke came in through the window, and it can detect, and when it filters the air, and it tells you after it filtered all the air, it stops, and the fan goes a bit slower. Interesting, isn't it? Interesting.